Welcome to our video tutorial on how to clear your Gmail inbox easily. If you're someone who uses Gmail frequently, you know how important it is to keep your inbox organized. A cluttered inbox can be overwhelming and time-consuming to manage. But don't worry, we're here to help you with some quick and easy steps to clean up your Gmail inbox. So let's get started. Method 1. Swipe to delete. The first way to clear your Gmail inbox is to open Gmail and swipe from right to left on the email you want to delete. This will send the email directly to the trash can, bin, and out of your inbox. This method is great for clearing out individual emails that you no longer need. It's quick and easy, and you can use it to delete unwanted emails with just a swipe. Method 2. Select and delete. The second way to clear your Gmail inbox is to select multiple emails at once. To do this, simply long press on an email to select it. Once it's selected, you can tap on additional emails to select them as well. When you have all the emails you want to delete selected, tap on the trash can icon from the icons at the top. This will send all the selected emails to the trash can, bin, at once. This method is great for clearing out a large number of emails at once. Method 3. Use filters. Another way to clear your Gmail inbox is to use filters. Filters allow you to automatically categorize and sort your incoming emails. This can help you keep your inbox organized and reduce the amount of time you spend managing your emails. To set up filters, go to Settings here in Filters and Blocked Addresses. From there, you can create filters based on specific criteria, such as the sender, subject, or keywords in the email. And that's it. You now know 3 easy ways to clear your Gmail inbox. By following these steps, you can keep your inbox organized and reduce the amount of time you spend managing your emails. Whether you prefer to swipe to delete, select and delete, or use filters, there's a method that will work for you. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.